Hello dear friends, I'm Roman from Zhejiang Ounuo Machinery Company Limited. Now in front of my eyes is a glamour display of a rotogravure printing machine. From left to right, we can see the on-way unit, the on-way traction unit, the braiding unit, the roll-way traction unit, and the roll-way unit, which work together to complete the magic process of printing. Today, I would like to review the unique advantages of on-way units. The vendor adopts a unit tower structure, which is stable and reliable, and ensuring a smooth printing process. The door station design makes it easy to change breeding materials without stopping or slowing down, which greatly reduces labor cost. What is even more amazing is that the on-way unit shifts are also equipped with the pre-drag function, which makes the cutting process stable and precise, thus ensuring high-quality prints. The machine has achieved amazing 0-meter cutting wrist, which saves customer a lot of printing material. This is the result of our compromising commitment to the quality of our machine and our firm commitment to our customers. Please keep following us and let's change the industry for the better.